it on your Chromebook, you need to go to the link that's in the classroom for Gravit Designer. You're going to go to download. You can either use it online with your operating system, or I suggest downloading Designer for Chrome. So you'll click on that. I've already installed it, but once it's installed, you can launch the app. You then need to create a free account if you haven't done so already. Once you create a free account, you'll use that information to log in. You'll log in. I don't know why it's not launching. You can also sign in with your Google account. Let's see if that works. So for some reason it's not launching on mine. I would actually download it for the Mac, but it's possible that your CCSD filter is going to block it, and if that's the case and that's why you're having problems, it seems to be the case here. So what you would do is you would sign in with your Google account if you've used your school email. It's authenticating. It says it won't allow me. So, okay. So if that's the case, I didn't know that was the case. So let's see what happens here. All right, so I'm going to create an account with my personal email because I don't know why this is not working. Let's see if I can log in that way. Okay, get started for free. So they're sending an email confirmation. Let's see here. It's not there yet. There it is. Activate my designer account. All right, now we're good to go. And you should be able to come in here. And I don't know why. So if that's the case, it was working earlier in Safari with my school account. I don't know why Chrome is different. Maybe it's a Chrome extension. But this is what it should look like. So you actually have some sort of a cloud management file, or I would just continue to save them on your computer. Your tutorials are here. If you choose to do something in inches, say we're going to do an 8x10 document in inches in an assignment, you would just hit create. And then this is what the interface should look like for you. And you should have all of these tools above. This would be your login, log out, and so on and so forth. So if you have any questions on that, let me know.